All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we've been waiting for.
Have we?
I don't know. People have been asking about it, right? 5 boxes of TMALL, right? This is TMALL, Asia.
TMALL Hobby.
TMALL Hobby.
TMALL Hobby.
So real quick eBay disclaimer for break 789, 5 boxes of TMALL Hobby. That if, no purchase or payment is necessary to enter the eBay sweepstakes. Please check the description of our listing for the rules and regulations of said sweepstakes.
We're at 31, so we get to do it again.
Oh, we get to do another giveaway. All right, well, let's start it. Let's just make it easy. Hoops, everybody. Write hoops. H-O-O-P-S. One word. Hoops. H-O-O-P-S. For a chance at a free giveaway of a free pack of something. Hoops, there it is. Good luck, everyone. We're breaking it right now, Austin. Unless Austin is like behind and doesn't see me actually breaking this live. All right, everybody, we're at 30, so like I said, just write hoops, 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 hoops.
Yeah.
You know what? And I'm gonna open because there's not many cards here. We're gonna open all of it before we run it. We're gonna run it at the very end, unless of course you guys get to 35 somehow before that. What do you say? I'm sorry.
I don't know what to expect in this. So.
I'm guessing men on cardboard playing basketball. Yeah, men on cardboard.
JLB wrote H-O-O-P-S. He said.
I said one word just for you, just in case you were confused.
Do you like how I did that?
Yeah, that was funny. You're a funny guy.
Made you chuckle, huh?
Oh, you chuckled me today. All right, good luck, everyone. Here we go. We got DeMar DeRozan. Ooh, these are cool. What are these called? We only had a place for checklists.
I'm working.
DeMar DeRozan. Blue something. Blue checkerboard or something? Kyle Kuzma, another blue checkerboard. You know what? I'm going to find out. I'm going to find.
It's checkerboard.
No, it's not checkerboard. What is it called?
It's probably on the back.
You always go to the back. Base Hyper Blue.
There you go.
Hyper Blues. Okay. All right. Here's Brandon Miller, Ignition. We've got ourselves a Noah Clowney now playing. An Ant-Man, Hypnotize. Ozar Thompson.
Bring them Rockets, baby.
Brandon Miller, Attack the Rack. Out of 99. What did I say it was? Laser? Or blue hyper. I'm sorry. So this is like a black hyper? But they are numbered.
Red.
Red? Oh, yeah.
Well, Asia Red, yeah. Usually it's...
Asia Red out of 99.
Usually it's reds.
D'Angelo Russell. Blue hyper again. So we got a lot of those coming up. We got next Jalen Scafino. We got Scafino. Rother. I'm guessing we're still looking for Wembanyama's, right? Derek Lively.
Yes, sir.
Devin Booker.
The Blues are base.
Yeah, Blues are base hypers.
Or kind of.
Jaren Jackson.
Not actual base.
Yeah, yes.
That's the red.
I get that. Oh. Ignition. Derek Whitehead. You got next. Are there supposed to be autos in this or no? Well, I guess I answered the question. CJ McCollum.
I don't think they're guaranteed.
Oh, they're not guaranteed?
No.
How about a red out of 99, red hyper of CJ McCollum? Leonard Miller, blue. Rookie, nice. Blue hyper. And we got Hendricks. Wembanyama. And then we've got nice rookie special of Scoot.
Good box.
Very good box because we're about to find... what's in here. Good luck, everyone. Ooh, Hoops Inc. Hyper Gold. 150. 26. Good luck, everyone. Ben! Shit, you're going to have to look that up because Ben Wallace played for, like, everyone.
Oh, Lord.
Ben Wallace. It's probably Detroit. I'm going to say Detroit. Just guessing. Okay, get back to it. You can get back to it. It's okay. You can get back to it.
Thank you.
All right. Box 2. Again, guys, write hoops in chat for free giveaway. We'll do the giveaway. You know what? I'll just do the giveaway after this box. Type hoops. If you're in chat, type hoops and we'll run it. There's only 7 people watching, so I guess we can probably run it whenever. I think all 7 people wrote. So run it whenever you want, sir.
Let me find this checklist.
Yeah, that's fine. My money's on Detroit, but all right, let's continue. We got a Scoot, Laughlin, Kate Cunningham. Ooh, nice green out of 25. Green Hyper. Green 23 out of 25. Very nice. We got Anthony Black, rookie, blue Hyper. We got next Clowney, Cam Whitmore. We got next. There's a Victor Wembanyama.
What's the name?
Ben Wallace, number 26. Keontae George, Kyrie Irving, Marcus Smart. We got Derek Lively. Pistons, see? I was right. How about a Grady Dick? Oil. Did you run the thing?
No.
Yeah, please. Donovan Mitchell, red, out of 99. Travis has won the giveaway. 83 of 99 red. Giannis, blue. Luka. Kobe Brown. We got next Prosper.
Nice to have a little variation.
Nick
right?
Smith. Yeah, this is cool. Najee. Sangan, blue. Jordan Poole, blue. Fino now playing, and Keontae George. All right, that's cool. Hot and fresh out the kitchen. Question. Their base. Our rookies and inserts. Our shiny stuff. Here's your numbered. And I gotta put the Pistons on this. Travis, what did you pick, sir? You want the hoops, okay. Oh, it fell out. It wanted you. Pick me, pick me. Travis, do we? All right, we know where to find you. All right, let's go. Box 3. Crazy that it's only 4 packs.
Chase said 2 more for another one. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's get 2 more likes for another giveaway. All right, good luck. Scoot, rookie. Royce O'Neal, blue Hyper. Isaiah Mobley, blue Hyper. Amen, rookie special.
Another one.
Reignition. Derek Lively is playing now. Jordan Hawkins, rookie. Bobby Portis, red. Hyper, 46 of 99. LeBron James, blue Hyper. We got next from Alzar Thompson, Ja Moran igniting. Cam Whitmore's playing. Maxwell Lewis. Quentin Grimes. Blue. CJ McCollum, blue laser. Or not laser, hyper. We got next Maxwell Lewis. Ignition. Alright, Grady Dix ignited. Anthony Black, we got next. Foil. Omani. Scoot Henderson. Oh, damn, that's a hit. Gold, 8 of 10. There you go, Portland. 8 of 10, Scoot Henderson. Gold, hyper. Hyper gold, nice. Yep. Very nice. Very nice. Jalen Hood Scafino. We got Grady Dick playing. Rick Whitehead, we got next. Anthony Black. All right. Let's. And for you NBA purchasers, as the scroll on the bottom says, for every spot you purchase in the month of February will automatically enter you into a free giveaway of a sealed NBA Hoops hobby box at the end of the month. So every spot you own or purchase, I should say, in any NBA break in the month of February, you will automatically be entered as a chance to win a sealed NBA Hoops hobby box. So JL's like, give me some damn rockets already. Some more rockets. More rockets. There's Anthony Black. Julius Randle, blue. Hyper. There's a hyper blue Adebayo. There's Azar. There's Jacquez for the Heat. We got next Julius Strother. We got Leonard Miller. LaMelo Ball Hoopla. Oh, that's badass too. Hyper. 80 of 99.
That is cool.
Look at that. Out of 99. Allen Iverson is blue hyper. And we got, nice, a Victor Wembanyama rookie special. There you go. Yeah, these things are
TMALL
low.
with these rookie specials.
They did.
This is like
Makes them less special. That's good. Alex Caruso, hyper blue. Jared Allen, hyper blue. Taylor Hendricks, we got next. Kobe Buffkin, ignition. Does he got like buns on the side of his head? Like Princess Leia? Like, what is going on there? How about an Eamon Thompson foil we got next for the Rockets?
yeah, Rory, I agree. Compared to the, I mean, you're getting pretty much.
Dude, Jabari Smith Jr. for Houston, 25 of 99, red, hyper red.
He said, "There it is." Congrats. That's cool.
Bryce Sensabaugh, how about that? Nice rookie blue hyper for the Jazz. Jed Howard, Jacquez, and Shy. And if I ever fall in love again, I will be sure that.
That's your go-to, huh?
Oh, Shy? Please, man. Shy's my jam. I know what you're going to say. It sounds just like.
It doesn't sound like anything, so please stop. I don't even know that. I thought
what?
I thought I saw a genuine CD in your car. Back in the day.
Pony? Come on.
Pony.
Pony? You ain't lying. Hyper Blue, Nikola Vucevic. If you think you're embarrassing me, you're way off.
I'm not trying.
Harrison Barnes, Blue Hyper. We got next Oliver Max Spence, Derek Lively Ignition, and Russell Westbrook. I thought it was going to be an auto. That would have been cool. High voltage. That would have been a cool auto. Jordan Hawkins and Maxwell Lewis. Robert Covington. Green out of 25. Robert Covington for the Clippers. Clippers are doing really well this year. 23 of 25. Green. Green. Jared Vanderbilt. Blue. Hyper blue. Brandon Pojemski. Clowney. We got Cam Whitmore for the Rockets. They got next, apparently. Josh Hart, blue, hyper. Buddy Hield, hyper blue. There is a Victor Wembanyama ignition. And a Victor Wembanyama now playing. And a Scoot Henderson foil for Portland. And Ben Shepherd. We got another auto. Ben Shepherd, hyper, rookie, auto for Indiana. There you go, Pacers. Nice hit, Pacers. Al Horford, red, out of 99. Red hyper. And a Jacquez, rookie, blue. We got next, Nick Smith Jr., Keontae George, and James Najee. All right, these are all rookie and stuff. That was awesome, actually. I thought these are pretty good. Pretty good. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. We got a Cade Cunningham to 25, hyper green. A CJ McCollum to 99, hyper red. A hyper attack the rack of Brandon Miller, rookie. We've got a hyper red of Donovan Mitchell to 99. A hyper red of Bobby Portis to 99. A Scoot Henderson, hyper gold. 8 out of 10. A LaMelo insert hyper out of 99 red. A Jabari Smith Jr. hyper out of 99 red. A Robert Covington hyper out of 25 green. A Al Horford out of 99 red. Some Wembies. We got Wemby ignition. Wemby now playing. Wemby we got next, and another Wemby ignition. And our autos. Oh, and we also got another Wemby. Well, I guess we're doing these this way. We got these rookie specials. We got Vicky, Wemby. We got 2 Scoot. I'm sorry, no, we got Amen and Scoot. I'm sorry. Damn, that's badass.
Oh, that's why I was like...
I thought it was the same ones, but shit, you got all 3. Collect them all.
That's awesome.
And we did get a auto of Mr. Ben Shepherd. Hyper auto for Indiana. Very nice. And we did get a Ben Wallace hyper gold, which I think is to 10 of Mr. Ben Wallace for the Pistons. So there you go. Guys and gals, we really appreciate you guys. Travis, I will. Rory, thank you. See who else we got. JL, whoever else left this here, thank you so much for hanging out with us. We'll see you next week. Good luck tomorrow on your Super Bowl bets. Take care.
Thanks, everyone. Be safe.